Hello my GCM at Home friends, my name is Jessi and I am a playologist here at the Glazer Children's Museum. We have a super fun project today, but first I have a riddle. I sometimes have lines on me and other times I am blank. I'm made from a cut down tree, although I am not a plank. Did you guess paper? Today, we are making paper with scrap material you can find at your own home. Paper is a thin material formed from a blend of crushed plant and cotton materials. The word paper comes from the word papyrus, which is a plant. Paper making has been around for thousands of years. It first emerged in China, but was perfected by the ancient Egyptians in the 4th century BC, which was super long ago. Paper can be used to record the news, create and display a work of art, make an airplane, tell a story, and so much more. Today, we will be making our own recycled paper. You will need paper scraps, scissors, a medium bowl, some water, a blender, a strainer or screen, a baking sheet, a pie pan or glass baking dish, a hairdryer, which is optional, and that's it. This is how to make your own paper. You begin with your scrap paper. Make sure it's just regular paper, nothing shiny or glittery. Cut or tear your scrap paper into small pieces. Then put your paper in your medium-sized bowl. Next, pour enough water to cover the paper and use your hands to push the paper into the water. Let it soak for a few hours until it's all mushy. Then, have an adult help you put your paper mush into a blender. Blend it all up until it creates a paste. Add more water if necessary. Next, lay your baking sheet out and put your screen on top. You can use a screen like I have, a splatter screen, mesh, or another fine screen that you may have in your house. Then scoop your paste onto the screen and use your hands to spread it out. Use a rolling pin to add weight to the paste and squeeze out all of the water. Let your paper paste dry. You can use a hairdryer if you want to speed the process up, or you can keep it in an irregular shape or cut it into a rectangle if you want to. That was so much fun, friends! Try to always remember to recycle any paper that you are no longer using so that it can be processed into another piece of paper for another creation. What will you use your paper for? Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.